So in June of 2019, I was involved in a motorcycle collision with a commercial construction vehicle. Basically, while I was driving down the street through a construction site, the vehicle turned across the yellow line and hit me in the side, the left side of my body. Upon impact, I knew I had broken my left foot at a minimum, and was taken to the hospital where they confirmed that injury on more in-depth medical evaluation. They found 7 fractures in my left foot and some injuries to my right shoulder. Honestly, I didn't think too much of it at the time, other than I knew I would be out of work and in a cast for a while, which was probably my biggest concern. But as time passed and the injury did not heal as expected, it started to cause me a lot of problems, both with my mobility and pain. It was just very unexpected to, I guess, have the result that I did from an injury that I thought was fairly minimalistic in the beginning. The Spada Law Group was referred to me by a friend. He was a riding friend of mine who actually grew up in the same area as Lenny Spada, and he was a very close friend of mine, so I trusted him, and immediately upon meeting Lenny, I knew I'd made the right choice. So Robin was my case manager, and I met her upon my first consultation with Len. And she was just fantastic. She went above and beyond even my expectations, and not knowing what to expect, because I had never been involved in an accident or suffered an injury like this, to help me understand the process and to guide me through the medical procedures and the billing practices, and basically how to categorize everything as far as the injury and the progression of the treatment. And that really went a long way to putting my mind to rest. So, you know, myself and Lenny have become fairly friendly, even beyond the scope of the professional relationship, and it's nice to see him. I'm involved in a number of charities that raise money for victims of motorcycle accidents, and Lenny has taken an active role in participating in some of those appearances and sponsorship of events that raise money for people like myself who have been involved in motor vehicle accidents or motorcycle accidents. And we're thrilled to have him.